last minute fall vibes on a dime with Dollar Tree items into amazing home decor DIYs. Get ready to fall in love. Welcome to CJ DIY IMC. Dollar Tree is selling super cute jars for fall, and I believe they're still $1.25 or maybe $1.50. So I grabbed two of them in a color orange. I really like the cap with a copper color, and with just a little makeover we can turn them into a very high-end looks. I downloaded some images from Etsy. I will have the links in my description box. I printed those labels in a printable sticker paper. I cut them out and now I'm adding them on my jars. Super quick and easy process with this printable paper, and I have a perfect look for fall. You can fill out your jars with anything you like, such as pumpkins, acorns, pine cones, leaves, or you can do it like I do, filling out my jars with candy corns. And for extra embellishment, I'm adding this polka dot brown ribbon with just creating two tails and cutting them off as a ducktails, and this quick makeover is done. Now let's decorate my dining room table with this cute mocha checkered pumpkin runner and placemats. All so beautiful, cohesive with my table and my chairs. I really love it. I got this one from Temu. I'm adding golden chargers from Dollar Tree, of course. And I'm also adding some mocha checkered plates, just to make it all nice and cohesive and perfect for fall, even Thanksgiving. I really love this mocha checkered design. I think it's my decor for this year, and I will keep going with Christmas decor into this design. I cannot wait to share it. In the middle part, I added my checkered tea kettle from MacKenzie added with some floral, and my jars, and look how beautiful everything looks. I added some pearl golden flatware with some mocha checkered napkin and a golden pearl napkin rings. Those are from Totally Dazzled that I purchased on sale. And now I'm adding this checkered cutting board that my daughter got it for me. I added a pack doll so I can rise it up a little bit. I added some fall muffins with real apple buns. I also added some golden jars with some candy on the back, and also I'm adding some candle holders that I made with Dollar Tree items. You can see how I made those in one of my previous videos. I will have them linked in my description box, and everything looks so cute together. I am also adding those checkered pumpkin that I purchased from Mackenzie, and actually they were not that expensive because I had a coupon after all those purchases that I made from the barn sale, and I think they look super cute. I'm adding one of those Dollar Tree candle holders, and on top I'm adding this cute checkered bowl full of chocolate pumpkin and apple candies that I got from Aldi. Those chocolates are delicious. Not that they just look great, but they are delicious. So if you see them, grab them. The best chocolate ever. For my next project, I will be using those 2 glass canisters from Dollar Tree, except for the caps, I will spray paint them with this copper spray paint. After I spray painted them, I didn't like the color, it was a little bit lighter, so I will darken it a little bit with a brown, mixture of a brown and another copper paint that I got in my stash, with simply dabbing this sponge brush until the whole cap is covered with it, so I can bring that rustic look to those caps. While the caps are drying for the glass canister, I printed out more printable labels downloaded from Etsy shop, and I will add them in front of those canisters just to bring that fall vibe to those canisters as well. Super quick and easy makeover. Instead of decoupaging, I think this is the easiest process. Just print them out in a printable sticker paper instead of adding a Mod Podge and decoupaging paper. This is the easiest process you can do. Now that I added the labels, you can add anything you like in those canisters. I decided to add some popcorn, and a perfect addition into my kitchen for fall season. Another great find at Dollar Tree are those Halloween frames that I always get, not because of their design, but because of their frames. And I can turn them into an amazing fall decor. I am removing the hardware and the bolts on the back, and I will cut off the wire because these signs coming out with some scary signs and lights that I don't need because I don't decorate for Halloween. But I can use it for another season decor. So now after I reconstruct them all, I will use the white background instead of that scary skeleton looking site, and I will cover it with something else. But before that, I will work on my frames just to remove that plasticky look on the frame. I'm adding just a golden shimmer, and with adding this golden shimmer, distressing them and automatically giving them a different kind of dimension into those frames that absolutely they don't look like plastic. Now for the inside part, I printed out more printable stickers that I will just measure where I need to cut them, and I will add them on top of the white background. And that's it for this quick and easy makeover, just perfect for fall, and you can change them throughout the season. When Christmas comes, you can add a different kind of printout and you will have a perfect look with those frames. And my darlings, we came to the end of this episode. Let me know which of those creations is your favorite. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, hype, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of blessings. And I will leave you with John 14:6, where Jesus declares, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Until next time, my darlings, from me to you, bye-bye.